Imagine you're managing a sales team, a new mortgage lead comes in from Orlando but accidentally gets assigned to your New York based rep. Turns out your Salesforce admin did not consider geography or availability as a factor while designing the queue rules. Unfortunately, many organizations rely on the basic lead assignment rules or queues of Salesforce to route leads to their representatives, which could be great at times but often falls short in a fast-paced environment where losing deals is not an option. Does that sound familiar? Well, I know some lead distribution tools to boost your sales all within your Salesforce org. Let's see which one can solve your problem. Hello everyone, I'm Shrey Sharma, your Salesforce Hulk. Since you clicked on this video, you're clearly frustrated or most probably searching for solutions on Google with terms like Salesforce lead routing tools or best lead assignment app. Now, you might want to solve the issue with Salesforce flows, but there are formula limits and the logic is really tricky to debug. Meanwhile, your admin is trying to implement an app that promises automatic assignment, but it only covers leads and misses out on team performance metrics and SLAs. The basic approach only works in a fixed order and cannot see or understand the context. What you need here is a solution that not only directs leads to a rep, but does so with the understanding of your unique business needs. And I might have the perfect solution for you. Don't worry, I've done my research and trials to share with you all. Let's explore two different approaches to lead assignment inside Salesforce. The more traditional, rigid tools that many teams start with, and more advanced, flexible solutions like Plauti Assign. First up, integration and platform compatibility. Most lead assignment tools like Kubaru, Assign are available on the Salesforce AppExchange, while Omnichannel comes with Service Cloud. But not all of them are fully Salesforce-native. For example, Kubaru is well integrated but uses metadata and external logic that may require some flow building or Apex, which can be a disadvantage if you need a solution that works out of the box. Assign provides basic round robin but often needs custom triggers or handlers if you want more complex behavior. RingLead by ZoomInfo, while powerful for omni-channel routing, relies heavily on external data and deeper configurations. Plauti Assign, in contrast, is 100% Salesforce native, which means it is entirely within your org and requires no custom code. It integrates smoothly with your existing workflows, and since all processing happens inside Salesforce, no data ever leaves your org, keeping everything secure. In fact, the flexible configuration makes it so much easier to use that even sales managers and power users can manage assignments and see performance dashboards, eliminating admin dependencies. Next, let's talk about what matters the most after integrating any of these solutions: routing logic. Assign routes leads based on workload, availability, skills, etc. A bit advanced, but it can be quite limited too. Kubaru, on the other hand, includes weighted round robin, availability tracking, and routing across different objects, which makes it a flexible option. RingLead by ZoomInfo shines in omni-channel intake. It can route leads from multiple sources like calls or forms, while it does not go beyond workload balancing. It is optimized for high-functioning marketing teams. Whereas Plauti Assign takes a more unified approach with extreme flexibility. You route by skills, territory, industry, service line, or location using any record fields. Take availability and time zones into account to meet SLAs and much more for a dynamic routing experience. So the best lead goes to your best rep, and absences are factored to redirect leads to an available agent. It pairs well with AI agent to assign leads using customer context such as history or recent activity. It also allows you to create match groups where you can add or remove assignees manually or in bulk to keep them automatically in sync. This optimizes your assignments and matches them with the right rep based on role, skill, region, etc. And for any custom needs, you can write a simple Apex plugin for matching logic. This plugin method means flexibility without writing the whole app. Hold on. How can we compare a lead distribution solution and not consider SLAs, right? While most tools like Kubaru and Assign focus on initial routing and assignment, they do not offer built-in SLA tracking, which means you will either need a separate tool or maintain manual records. Meanwhile, Plauti Assign takes it further and offers an additional layer of built-in analytics. You get real-time dashboards for team performance where you can see leads handled per rep, SLA compliance, response times, etc. And when a rep misses their SLA, Plauti Assign automatically sends the lead forward to the next available rep. Sales managers can also see which reps are crushing it and who might need help instead of taking regular feedback. Now this may seem small, but it actually changes the game when it comes to timely response and speed to lead. Which brings me to real-time notifications. Some tools assign records but don't notify the rep unless additional automation is configured. Assign and Kubaru both require external logic or workflows to handle such notifications. But Plauti Assign streamlines the process by notifying the rep as soon as a new lead is assigned via email or SMS. These notifications are customizable as well, so your agents will know when a lead lands in their name and your speed to lead will improve automatically. Well, I guess I have given you enough insights about some of the best lead assignment solutions for Salesforce. So weigh the pros and cons and choose the best one that fits all your needs. In my opinion, Plauti Assign checks all the boxes and could be the core of your revenue engine. Check it out from the link in the description and experience the flexibility yourself. That was all from me. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who might need it, and don't forget to hit subscribe for Salesforce Hulk to watch more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.